Is this where,
Lionel. Hey, how you doing?
That's Uncle Lane. Yeah. Is this
Good,
where,
good.
where,
working
Lori Montego
Rubiano Ruby here.
Yeah.
rears up at her?
Yes.
What's the girl's good?
Well, she actually is on a lunge
Did you
line.
see that little spank I just did to her?
Yeah.
Yes.
And anyway, so what's she up to? Yeah?
Oh.
Yeah, yep. Yep. Hey, she's really, that's what Lane said, she's so quiet.
Hi, Lane.
What's up? Good, we worked for another hour. Hey, Ruby, come on. Yeah, another hour, and then we got all the posts in and stuff. But hey, I'll be in the truck in a little bit. Can I call you? Okay.
Good girl.
Okay, sounds good. Thanks, Lane. Bye.
Good girl.
And